You can earn over $700 using a straightforward and set and forget method. The $700 that you can see on my screen can be generated in a month. Interestingly, the platform also features a payment proof page where you can see how much others are earning. This method is incredibly simple and I can explain it under 5 minutes. Start by heading over to Google Trends. Once you are there, you will see the trending stories all over the world. But for us, we need to go to a niche. I will specifically choose entertainment for this video. Next, click on where it says trending now, and one of the most trending stories are either sports or Dancing with the Stars. We are going to choose Dancing with the Stars because it has the most search volume. Then we click on where it says search it. There will be multiple articles written under it, and it seems there is a controversy about the winner of the Dancing with the Stars. You're going to root through the articles and ensure it is relevant and engaging. Once you get an idea of what the storyline is, you can go and head over to ChatGPT, take some parts of the stories in the article, paste it to ChatGPT and tell it to paraphrase it and give you a new article. Since it is a trending topic, all you need to do is have an article ready to publish. Before you proceed, if you are interested in discovering more creative and free ways to make money online, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. I upload around 2 videos weekly, each featuring unique methods to earning money online. Subscribing will ensure that you won't miss future tips, as YouTube is less likely to recommend them otherwise. Next, you'll go to Google Sites. Google Sites is a place where most people go to make their portfolios for free. You will go there and you will get a free website. Inside the site, all you have to do is paste the article that ChatGPT made for you. You can also add pictures about Dancing with the Stars. Google Sites is totally free and you can upload as much articles as you like. So once your article has been published in Google Sites, copy the link of the site. Now let's discuss the website that will pay you for whenever someone clicks on your link. I have personally used a platform called ShrinkMe. It is a legitimate website. This site will allow you to shorten the link and earn money based on the number of clicks that you get. The payout varies by country. For example, ShrinkMe offers $22 per 1,000 clicks from Greenland, $16 from Ireland, $11 from the United States, and $3 for the rest of the countries around the globe. So first of all, start by registering with your email and create a password. Once logged in, select the create link option and paste your article URL. You can give it an alias. For example, the title of our article will be Dancing with the Stars has been rigged. After creating the link, save it for future reference. Now all you have to do is promote the link. The easiest way for you to do right now is using an app called Blue Sky. Blue Sky is very similar to Twitter or X, and also since it's a new app, it is very easy to go viral on that app. You can create multiple articles, shorten them in ShrinkMe, and keep on posting in Blue Sky. There is a higher chance Blue Sky will promote you and many people will see the link and click on it. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share it with your family and friends.